Gina with WTI. I love having this handy stick of deep blue with Copaiba available all the time. If you're someone like me that has to sit a lot in the car or working at a computer, then you know that that comes with a lot of tension in different areas of your body. This has been so instrumental in keeping me moving without discomfort. This has menthol essential oils in it, and the smell on it is really invigorating and will make you alert immediately. But more than that, it is so nice for targeted support. It helps to cool and heat wherever you put it immediately so that you get some instant relief. Now, I would not recommend putting this in your eyes or any other sensitive areas of your body because you're definitely going to feel that. The addition of the Copaiba oil is so nice and soothing because it has beta-caryophyllene constituents in it that really help to bring that relief. This is so easy to use and it's non-greasy. You can apply it directly from the stick onto whatever area is needing it, or you can put it on your hand and then rub that into whatever area as well. This is great for pre or post workout use, or just on a daily basis whenever you need it. I really can't live without this deep blue stick with Copaiba. It's made a huge difference in my life and my quality of life, and that's my point of view.